Just got your first order and wondering what's next? In this video, I'll walk you through the essential process of fulfilling an order in Shopify to get it to your customer. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Fulfilling an order is the action of confirming that you've packaged and shipped it. This updates the order status and notifies your customer. From your Shopify admin, go to Orders. Find the order you're ready to ship and click on it. In the order details page, you'll see the line items. Next to each, you'll find a Fulfill button. If you have the inventory and are shipping the entire order, simply click Fulfill Items. If you're only shipping part of the order, you can specify the quantity. Once you confirm, the order status changes to Fulfilled. Shopify will automatically send a fulfillment email to the customer if you have that setting enabled. This is a critical communication that sets expectations for delivery. A crucial pro tip: for faster workflow, enable automatically fulfill all the line items in the order in your settings. This is great for digital products or if you manually mark orders as fulfilled before generating labels. But for most, manual fulfillment gives you better control. And just like that, you've successfully processed and shipped a customer order. Efficient fulfillment is the heartbeat of a successful e-commerce operation. Do you fulfill orders manually or automatically? Let me know your process in the comments. To streamline shipping, subscribe for our next video on how to create shipping labels in Shopify. Thanks for watching.